Hello, welcome back to Talk to Me in Tagalog. In this lesson, we will learn the different expressions and phrases used to talk about pain, illness, and other physical discomfort. You can practice these sentences by pausing the video and then repeating it. Let's get started now. Our first expression is, okay ka lang ba? Okay ka lang ba? Meaning, are you okay? May sakit ka ba? Sakit means illness or sickness. May sakit ka ba? Do you feel ill? May lagnat ka ba? May lagnat ka ba? Lagnat is fever. May lagnat ka ba? Meaning, do you have fever? Anong nararamdaman mo? Ano means what? Anong is the contracted form of anoang, while nararamdaman is something that you feel. Anong nararamdaman mo? What do you feel? Masakit ba? Masakit ba? Meaning, does it hurt? Masakit ba? Kailan ka pa may sakit? Kailan ka pa may sakit? Kailan means when. Kailan pa is since when. Kailan ka pa may sakit? Since when have you been ill? Masama ang pakiramdam ko. Masama ang pakiramdam ko. Masama means bad and pakiramdam is feeling. Masama ang pakiramdam ko. I'm not feeling well. May sakit ako. May sakit ako. Meaning, I'm sick or I'm ill. To state the particular disease or medical condition that you have, you may use this pattern. May blank or the kind of disease ako, which means I have this kind of disease. Examples of sickness in Tagalog are hika, hika, which means asthma. Rayuma, rayuma, meaning rheumatism. Diabetes, diabetes, meaning diabetes. Ubo, ubo, which means cough. So, how do you say you have asthma in Tagalog? Correct. May hika ako. May hika ako. I have asthma. If you don't know your illness in Tagalog, you can still use this pattern with its English equivalent. For example, may allergy ako, meaning I have allergy. Or, may heart ailment ako. Or, may cyst ako, and so on. Mukhang lalagnatin yata ako. Mukhang lalagnatin yata ako. Mukhang means it seems, lalagnatin is will go down with a fever, yata is perhaps, and ako means I. Mukhang lalagnatin yata ako. I think or perhaps I'm going down with a fever. Anong sakit mo? Anong sakit mo? Meaning, what kind of disease or illness do you have? Anong masakit sa iyo? Anong masakit sa iyo? Meaning, which part of your body hurts? You may use this sentence pattern if you want to express which part of your body is giving you pain. Masakit ang blank or part of the body ko. Masakit ang part of the body ko. Meaning, my blank aches or my blank is painful. Let's go over some parts of the body in Tagalog. Back is likod, likod. Neck is leeg, leeg. Throat is lalamunan, lalamunan. Stomach is tiyan, tiyan. Head is ulo, ulo. While tooth is ngipin, ngipin. So, how do you say that you have a headache? That's right. Masakit ang ulo ko. Masakit ang ulo ko. How about your neck? Correct. Masakit ang leeg ko. Masakit ang leeg ko. Meaning, my neck hurts. Here's the sentence pattern for itchy skin. Makati ang blank or the body part ko. Makati means itchy. Makati ang part of the body ko, meaning my blank is itchy. So how do you say you have itchy skin? Makati ang balat ko. Makati ang balat ko. Balat is skin. Makati ang balat ko. My skin is itchy. Makati ang kamay ko. Kamay is hand. Makati ang kamay ko. My hand is itchy. Makati ang paa ko. Paa is foot. Makati ang paa ko. My foot is itchy. Next we have, huwag mong kamutin. Huwag mong kamutin. Kamutin is to scratch. Huwag mong kamutin. Don't scratch it. Nasugatan ako. Nasugatan ako. Meaning, I got injured. You may also say, may sugat ako. May sugat ako. Sugat is wound. So, may sugat ako means I have a wound. Nahihilo ako. Nahihilo ako. I feel dizzy. Pagod ako. Pagod ako. Or napapagod ako. Napapagod ako. I'm tired. Inaantok ako. Inaantok ako. I'm sleepy. Giniginaw ako. Giniginaw ako. I feel cold. Naiinitan ako. Naiinitan ako. I feel hot. Nasusuka ako. Nasusuka ako. I feel nauseous. Nagtatae ako. Nagtatae ako. I have diarrhea. Kailangan mong magpahinga. Kailangan mong magpahinga. Kailangan is need and magpahinga is to take some rest. Kailangan mong magpahinga. You need to take some rest. Kailangan mong uminom ng gamot. Kailangan mong uminom ng gamot. Uminom is to drink and gamot is medicine. Kailangan mong uminom ng gamot. You need to take medicine. Kailangan mong pumunta sa ospital. Kailangan mong pumunta sa ospital. Pumunta is to go and ospital is hospital. Kailangan mong pumunta sa ospital. You need to go to the hospital. Pagaling ka agad. Pagaling ka agad. It means get well soon. Here are some expressions to ask someone who has just recovered from sickness or just got out of the hospital. Magaling ka na? Or magaling ka na ba? Meaning, are you all better now? Kumusta ka na? Kumusta ka na? How are you feeling now? Mabuti na ba ang pakiramdam mo? Mabuti na ba ang pakiramdam mo? Are you feeling better now? Our last expressions are aray, aray, which is the equivalent of ouch in English. It is usually followed by ang sakit. Ang sakit, meaning it's painful. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Salamat po!